Do you believe in magic? I do. In fact, I feel there's a cyclone coming. Can you feel it? Hello, I'm Laura, and I'll be your host for this episode of This Month at Clip. From Sevens ventured down the yellow brick road and brought to the stage a magical production of The Wizard of Oz. Over 2 nights, we embrace the chaos of this magical land and were swept away by the strong winds, moving from scene to scene, always with plenty of singing, jokes, and special effects. Special shout out to our live musicians and teachers, Miss Munch, Miss Oliveira, and Miss Trust, who made it all happen. But this wasn't the only time we were close to the features this month. 4 mates were in London for their iconic trip. There, they took in the sights, engaged in world-class museums, were wowed by a performance of The Lion King, and still found time to have fun in the many parks you can find in the UK's capital. I can't wait for it to be my turn next year. And although all they were doing was speaking English, back at Clip, we're celebrating Dia Mundial da Língua Portuguesa. We had music, dance, and lots of love for the 8th most spoken language in the world. Oh, and the topic of love, we have to talk about our mothers, both in lower school and middle school, who found ways of spending a special morning with them. Any excuse is a good excuse to have them stay a little longer and squeeze one more hug. Oh, I can feel the wind coming again. Does this mean I'm about to take off? I guess not. But you know who did? Form 8. This month, Form 8 took part in the Take Off program. It's all about stepping outside the classroom and trying something different, from new environments to hand-on challenges. Students had the chance to learn in a more real-world way. They had their first industry placement, working alongside experts and learning more about the job market. A big thank you to our industry partners who welcomed us. I still have 4 other things to tell you about this month at Clip, but I don't know quite how to transition to them or between them. What if I tried props? This month, students took on the Sudoku competition, putting their logic and problem-solving skills to the test. With each round, the puzzles got harder and the pressure kept building. It was all about focus, quick thinking, and staying calm against the clock. Who knew numbers could be this much fun? Bright in talent, and definitely in color, our students headed to the STEM Racing National Finals. After 2 days in Ponte Lima, pushing their skills and ideas to the limit, they made it onto the stage to receive their award for Best Enterprise Strategy. That means their branding, communication, sponsorship work, marketing, and sustainability truly stood out. Their season wrapped up with a strong 6th place overall. And honestly, we're already looking ahead to next year. I'm out of props, so you'll just have to imagine this one. I think I need some color. Earlier this month, our Club Circus group took the stage with their show, a journey full of colors. And it really lived up to its name. From start to finish, the performance was full of energy, creativity, and storytelling, keeping the audience completely engaged. There's one last thing we need to tell you about May at Clip, and we're very excited about it. This month, we celebrated an important milestone. Clip officially joined the Dukes Education family. Dukes Education is a family of schools and educators brought together by a common purpose: to give children the foundations for an extraordinary life through education. We hosted an event that brought together staff and parents with members of the Dukes leadership team, sharing their story, values, and vision for the future. It was a chance to understand how Clip fits into a much larger network while still staying true to what makes it unique. And as we look ahead, our journey continues, but it continues together. Oh dear, I shall be late. Wait, that's from a different show. Anyway, here's what's coming up in June. Clip Moon returns, bringing students together for debate, diplomacy, and global thinking. Commencement marks a special milestone as we celebrate the achievements of our graduating students. In Pre-K, the annual picnic promises a day full of fun, laughter, and outdoor play. Form 6 will be enjoying the traditional French breakfast. Cultural trips continue, giving students the chance to explore learning beyond the classroom. And OpenMap has its first ever edition as we celebrate Europe in this regional simulation of the European Parliament. Alright, here comes the wind again. Let's hope it takes me back to class now. Bye!